Welcome back, everyone. Old school, baby. Legacy. I believe these are the flea market amplifiers. Red Series 2. Okay. Here's the info. And got this online for parts or repair. So not sure what's going on with this amplifier. We're going to dive right into it and figure out together. So, first things first, let's take a look. Missing fuse. Missing screws, a little bit of wear on those knobs there, the adjusting knobs. RCAs look pretty good. And just a little bit of dirt here and there, or grime, whatever it may be. Here's the side view. Here's the other side view. Not much going on. Here's the mounting bracket screw pinholes there, the holes. And let's take a look underneath. My bad about the shot, but this camera here is so limited. Anyways, not much. It's only from there to there, see. Okay, so I guess the first thing, well, you already know what's coming up, right? Let's remove the bottom plate. Special shout out to number 1 bin. I believe this amplifier was made in China. Shout out to China. Oops, almost scratched there. Gotta be careful. Okay, I think I have to take out the, oh, there's one more here. You guys should have told me that screw was there. I couldn't see, the bracket was in my way. Okay, there we go. Jeez, let's flip this over. Oh, shout out to all the spider webs. See that? It's over here. Jeez. Oh yeah. So I don't see anything burnt on this section here. Now we're taking a look at the amp. Those guts. And a lot of debris, a lot of spider webs, a lot of dead spiders. All kinds of nasty shit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this off to the side. That's going to be going in the garage. Oh, I already see the blown capacitor right here. Yep, and it's leaking right here. So that's first thing I've noticed. Other than all this debris and spider webs, and this is nasty over here. There's like eggs over here. Before I go any further, I'm going to go inside and blow this all out, because I don't want to be working here on this desk with all this nasty shit and me breathing this in. Alright, I blew it all out. No more eggs and no more coronavirus. Next thing, also actually before I go to the next thing, I noticed here a little bit of burnt area, so possibly this fat is blown. Anyways, I'm going to take all these screws out of here and get this board right out of this heatsink. If you guys see any screws that I missed, let me know. Alright, I think that's all. If I missed any, let me know now as I take these out, please. I think that's it. Double check. Oh yeah, yep, those did blow. So these two and these two, I can see some debris under here. See that? All that black stuff there. I'll show you that after. Okay, let's see if I can wiggle it out. Nope, can't wiggle it out. So I'm gonna have to gently get these out of here without ruining anything. And I'm talking about that film. There's a little piece of film behind these FETs. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to use the pliers. Let me go get my bigger pliers here. Come on. There we go. All I'm going to do is just grab them on each side and then lift it up gently. There we go. That works. Okay. I think one more. And, oh, shit. Oh, no, one more here. Missed this one. Alright, there we go. I think that's it. Let's see. She just falls apart. Well, actually, she's already coming out. Uh-oh. I don't want that to happen. See that? Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me see. Maybe I can lift this out of here. Like so. There we go. Wait a minute. Let me take out this heat sink. Now it's in all different. Look at that. Shout out to the horseshoe heat sink, right? That's pretty wild looking. Oh, pardon me. Oh man, look at this. Filthy, filthy, filthy. Let me take these two pieces out into the shop, come back, and we're gonna have some fun with this. So let me see here. Positive there, and ground here. And what do we have? Nothing. So there we have it. That's why these two are blown. Alright, next thing, shits and giggles, right? I'm gonna put this on beep mode. Set that on beep mode. I'm gonna check these legs real quick. And if I hear a beep on these, that means it's bad. So far so good. These are the rectifiers. When I touch these legs, it will beep, and that means that it's good. Okay, that takes care of that. Now, this is the output section. Left and right channel, or right and left channel, or left and right channel. I don't know. Anyways, they should beep as well. I mean, not beep. Okay, so should hear no beep. If there is, then there's a problem. Okay, so that's good. Next thing I do, check these resistors. That one's supposed to beep, this one don't, this one's supposed to beep, this one don't, and these I believe they're supposed to beep. Or am I wrong? Yeah, they do. And if they don't, then we have a problem. Yep. And that's how I test this out real quick. Okay, this one doesn't. This one's probably 40, yeah, probably 48 ohms. Let's see if it is. Which? No, this is a 2 ohmer. 2, 3. It's probably 3. Wow, I read that wrong. Okay, so anyways, so the FETs all look pretty good. Let me see what this one is. IRF Z44N. Okay, yeah. So I did have these in stock as well. So very common back in the day, old school. All right, so these here. Which ones you guys want to do first? You want to do these or you want to do these? All right, I guess we'll go with these. All right, let's get the solder out of here now. Got some old solder on here. Junk. Oh, that should be easy. Yep. This one came out, as you can see. Yep, just what I figured. It's burnt. It's funny when these go, they still produce a little bit of reading. So, you gotta be careful with that. We're gonna do some further testing with this. That one, and that one. So it's this one. Very nice right there. That was a nice little pull. And there. That's 2. and here. Okay. I guess I can do a little bit of zoom action on here, right? Where are we? Right there. There you go. Alright. So here, there's one. This one's already. Okay, good. So now we have 4 capacitors. Let me zoom out. Set this off to the side, or somewhat of the side. Not much room over here, guys. Not much room. So now I have 4 bad capacitors. Alright, so for these here, I think I have enough, right? I'm going to be replacing with those. And now these here, I'm going to have to find them. I don't know if I have that in stock. I don't know if these are it. Let's see here. What are these? Nope. These are 25. These are 25s as well. Actually, yeah, see, I do have them in stock, but there's the problem. They're a little bit taller. So now, I'm going to have to do is get one of these out of here, and I'm going to place it into the board. I got to make sure that it's going to clear. And I would like to use those because these are actually a good brand. Alright, it's going to work. Beautiful. There we go. I like to put a little more solder on these because these take a lot of heat eventually, so better safe than sorry. Come on, get in there. Alright, that one's good. I think I just got to touch up on this one. Usually I don't like doing that back and forth because of the overheating component, which doesn't do anything, but better safe than sorry. Trim out the legs. Okay, that one's good. Look at that, beautiful. Okay. Positive on that side, negative on the other side. Make sure it's nice. Okay, I'm pushing down on it. That. And heat it up. I don't know what's going on with the solder. Jeez. There we go. Okay, that one's good. One more. Okay. That took a little while. Not sure why. It's that old solder in here. Just junk. Okay, that's good. I gotta work on that. I'm not too happy how that looks. But first things first, let's get the other two capacitors in here. This is a very good brand right here, Aravox. I used to work there back in the day, 1998, matter of fact. Good old days. You know what? I'm gonna place both of these same time. I think I can get away with that. What do you think? Hold on, wait a minute. What do we have here? Why is this positive, negative? Positive. Okay, yeah. Oh, there you go. I might have to hold it. Usually I just bend this like that. That should hold it into place. Let me zoom in a little bit. We're over here. I don't know what's going on with this iron. Jeez. Okay, beautiful. Nice solder balls right there. Happy with that, right? Now in the moment of truth, I'm gonna grab the multimeter and do this here. Okay, before we were not getting anything. Oh, let me zoom out. Alright, so moment of truth. We're going to see if we have anything going to these new caps, into the power supply area. Okay, so what do we have? I think ground is here, positive is here. Oh yes, it's already a good sign. Look at that. Yep. We're in the money. And she is climbing, climbing, and climbing. That's what you want. See that? We're charging these new capacitors. Okay, we're gonna have to put some glue here, hold these down later on. Alright. So these definitely were bad, right? So now that we know we have power going into the power supply section, the caps are being charged, I can go ahead and apply low voltage to this amplifier, and we're going to see with the oscilloscope what the board is doing, what the output's doing, what the power supply is doing, what the rectifiers is doing, and then from there we'll know what this amplifier is all about and what direction we're going to head after that. Alright, so I have some power on here. I've got my oscilloscope probe on hand, and we're going to send 9.5 volts right through her and see what the hell's going on, right? So I am going to put this right here and press the pedal. Okay, something's going on. Wait a minute. The oscilloscope here. Alright, there we go. Again, a square wave. Square wave. Okay. Shout out to the guy cutting the grass outside, right? So as you can see, you got a nice little square wave going on over here. Oh. Not bad. Zoom in a little bit. Not bad, actually. So, okay, let's see the output. As you can see, here's what's going on with the output. We're not getting a protection light. The light's on. You can see it's green right there. And it's looking very good. Staying nice and cool. Yeah. I believe this amplifier is ready to rock and roll. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all this out here. Okay. Clean out the FETs because I'm going to apply some new thermal paste before she goes into the heatsink. Alright, thermal paste time. Actually, I gotta do this like this. I don't want to make a mess. See that? I'm already getting on the board. I should have actually used something instead of using my finger. But I find that using my finger is the best bet to get an even spread because I can feel for it. Versus having an instrument and you lose your sensitivity on that instrument. Okay. There we have it. That's it. Now I'm just going to go clean it. Whatever I touched up on the side. That's it. Put it back in. Okay. Okay, now it's right under here. I can't see from here. I gotta turn this around. Pain in the ass. I dropped it, but it's okay. There we go. This is what I want to see. Right here. Yep. That's where it's going, right there, like that. And then slide this in. Now I just got to double check underneath here for that little piece here. Yep, I'm satisfied with that. All we have to do is this here now. How am I going to get this in here? Let's see. Clean that up. This amplifier has see-through case, so you have to keep in mind everything that you do on these amps, they have to be perfect because people can see inside. So keep that in mind when you work in such amps like this. You have see-through plexiglass or whatnot. Okay, that one's good. I go like this. That one's good, and then I go down the line. I'm not overdoing it right now. Just putting it into place. And also, you don't want to overdo on these. I'm gonna sit nice and snug in there. Okay, so now final screw down. Okay. Trying to make it even. Again, plexiglass goes over this, so I want everything nice, nice, if that makes any sense. Do you know what that means? That means everything straight, horizontal, vertically. So when people are looking inside, they're going to look at it and say, wow, that looks nice. Everything in a straight row, everything matching. You don't want nothing that looks kind of awkward. Okay? Trying to get rid of this residue in the sticker here. Okay, it's coming off, but very slowly. Also, don't let any of this stuff go inside the amplifier. You already cleaned the damn amplifier, right? So, you gotta be careful. like that. There we go. It's starting to come out. Little by little. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, she's coming right out. Look at that. Flip it around. Smudging all over the place. Good as new, huh? That's what's up. Alright, let me go clean off my desk, and we're gonna put her over to the other station. It's gonna be the other test station, and we're gonna put her through her paces. We're gonna see how well she was made. Okay? I can't see what she's putting out. I don't have the equipment for that right now. But one day I will. But this one, not a bad little unit. Old school, baby.